How to fix TikTok video call rotate problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the rotation problem on your phone. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this and then scroll down, go to the apps manager. After that, go to the apps again right here. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it. After you click on it, now all what you have to do on this page, open the notifications management, scroll down and go to the more settings option. It will take you directly to the WhatsApp. Now all what you have to do here is make sure that this option right here, it's called use high priority notifications enabled, and that's it. Go back to the settings and click on force stop and then reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.